चलो 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 चलो।
Oh my God! So this is how the path is. Oh my God! We are just clicking pictures like that.
Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
ये छोटे छोटे पल और बहुत सारी मस्ती ही तो किसी सफर को यादगार बनाते हैं, है ना? So we came back from there and we got freshened up. It's really cold, that's why I'm in my jacket. And now we're going to Mall Road. We'll have some yum dinner and we'll explore the cafes. Okay. It is really cold, है ना? बैंड बज रही है. मुझे इतनी नींद आ रही है, लिटरली आई एम फीलिंग सो स्लीपी. बट वी हैव टू एक्सप्लोर गाइज, राइट? घर पे भी सोना ही होता है. सो वी आर रियली टायर्ड. होपफुली some good cafe and good food will change our mood, guys. Yeah. So this is Krishna Bakery, one of the very famous bakery in Shimla on Mall Road. And यहाँ के momos are very famous. So we're gonna try that. You can see there's a lot of rush here. So right now we are going to this very famous cafe of Shimla, that is Wake and Bake. And it has a very pretty view which I'm gonna show. Only if we'll get the window seat. But yeah, let's see. This is how you'll get the view. So just now we had an amazing dinner at Wake and Bake Cafe. I would highly recommend that cafe. If you're coming to Shimla, you must go there. And it was so yum. Also right now we are at the Mall Road and it's 10:30. Like, it's not very crowded. Let me give you a glimpse of it. How beautiful it looks at night. And we are just clicking pictures like that. During night it looks so pretty.
Remind you that I can count on you. Back 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
So this is the last day of the trip and now we have come to this गुरुद्वारा. ये बिल्कुल हमारे होटल के पास ही था. एंड सीरियसली गुरुद्वारा आकर इतना ज़्यादा पीसफुल फील होता है. Good afternoon. So today is the last day of the trip and the third day of the trip, and unfortunately we wanted to go to Viceroy House, but that was closed, and then we planned to go to some temple, even that was closed. So randomly we just planned for paragliding, and luckily it is happening. I am kind of scared. So we are somewhere in between from Shimla to Chandigarh, and right now we are at Shogi. So it's 1:30 right now, and we have our paragliding planned at around 3 or 3:30 because अभी हवा बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही है, तो अभी पैराग्लाइडिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट उन्होंने हमें 3 to 3:30 का टाइम दिया है. So I'll tell you the experience how it's gonna be. I'm kind of scared. I have done parasailing. So I have done parasailing, but paragliding I haven't done at all, and this is my first time. Because we had a lot of time to kill, so we thought why not do something. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. We'll have some lunch right now, and then we'll go for paragliding. Fingers crossed. And the charges for paragliding are around 2850, and we tried to bargain, but all the slots were full. So they said if you want to do paragliding, this is the final price. 500 we have to give them advance. It's per charge, like per head it's 2850 rupees. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you the experience once I'll be done with the paragliding, hopefully safely. So just now we had our delicious lunch, and after this we're gonna go for paragliding, and the view in front of me is incredible. Let me give you a glimpse of it. Just look at that, how pretty it is. Look how beautiful this place is. So right now we are going for paragliding.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited.
Me too. Pikku?
I'm very nervous, yaar. And I'm
Maybe.
feeling very cold.
Same. ठंड तो है, बट मेरे को ना देख के थोड़ा डर लग रहा है.
भाई खाई बहुत.
So right now we are going at the spot from where we have to do the paragliding, and look at this view. Wow. So this is how the path is. Oh my god. Huh? Oh my god. Now I'm scared. Chalo chalo chalo. So right now we are ready for paragliding, and that's the spot where we have to go. Well, so I finally reached at the point where I'm gonna start paragliding, and to be honest I'm little bit scared, but एक ही लाइफ है यार, तो जो करना है सब करो. अभी they are setting up the thing, parachute and everything. I'm kind of scared. Let me give you a glimpse of it. Look at that. That is our parachute. Look at that. Guys, I'm ready to fly. Ready?
सीट चेक कर लो.
हाँ. अभी मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ.
आपको कुछ नहीं, बस आपने रन करना
चलना है, बस
चलो.
2-3 स्टेप्स.
चलो 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 चलो.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Okay, so finally I have done paragliding and the experience was so freaking amazing. It was epic. I think you should definitely do it if you're coming to Shimla. I'll put all the details of this place in the description box. And now our trip comes to an end and we are ready to go back to our home. But yeah, it was an amazing experience. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog and you find it informative. And if you really enjoyed this vlog, then make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell button for more such videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!